Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for Sia Coin. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. The first key level we notice is our monthly swing high here, where price comes up, hits, and reverses drastically, which is obvious to spot here from the candle body closes here. Now, we can also go ahead and plot our monthly swing low. This is the lowest point price has reached on the monthly chart. Now, we see a key level right here as well, and right here, but we're going to go ahead and hop to the weekly chart so we can see more price action. Now, right here, we can go ahead and plot our weekly swing high, where we see multiple reactions acting as support and resistance. Now, we also notice a key level right in here. Where we see multiple reactions acting as support and resistance, which is obvious to spot here on the weekly chart. We also notice a key level here, where we have multiple reactions acting as resistance and support. We can also go ahead and plot a key level right here, where we see multiple reactions acting as support, these long wicks here, price action here, and resistance before price breaks through, going down drastically. Now, looking at more recent price action, we can notice a key level right here, where we see price reacting as support and resistance. The most recent support level we can see is right here, from where price came down, hit, reversed, and we see price reacting as resistance at this key level, and now we see a reaction at this key level which is now acting as support. So you can see why it's important that we plot these key levels on our chart. So, zooming out, these are all the key levels plotted on our monthly and weekly chart for Sia Coin. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.